Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare coconut rice. In today's coconut rice, I'm going to use basmati rice. I have my coconut, my habanero pepper, onions, blended crayfish and turkey. I've already broke my coconut, add it to my blender. After I'm done blending, I filter out the milk from the coconut. Then I prepare my pot to fry my prawns. I added onions to the oil and my blended pepper and seasoning cube. So I added my prawns. So after I'm done frying it, I take it out from the pot. Then I'll prepare my pot for the coconut rice. So I added the blended pepper and chopped onions, my seasoning cube. So I have to stir it very well. So I have to come in with my basmati rice. After stirring it, I added my coconut water. And my blended crayfish. So I added salt. So I allow it to cook. So I have to spice my turkey using my air fryer. So my turkey is ready. My coconut rice and prawns and turkey is ready to eat. Please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up